Bonjour les amis! Welcome back to FLS Kids.
1, 2, 3, on parle tout bas. 4, 5, 6, c'est chouette comme ça. Avec FLS, on joue en chantant. Parler français, c'est vraiment amusant.
It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's French word is perfect for autumn weather. It's pluie. Can you say with me? Pluie. Pluie means rain in French. When there's pluie, you might need your parapluie, meaning your umbrella. Renette loves la pluie. Of course, she's a frog. She jumps outside and sings. Il pleut, il mouille, c'est la fête à la grenouille. That's a funny French song that means it's raining, it's wet, it's a party for the frog. Renette puts on her bottes. Bottes mean boots. She splashes in the puddles. Flaque d'eau. Splash, splash. C'est amusant. She laughs. So, let's remember. Pluie means rain. Parapluie means umbrella. Botte means boots. Flaque d'eau means puddles. Bravo les amis! What do you like to do when it's raining outside? Do you like to stay cozy at home or do you like to play in les flaques d'eau like Renette? Tell us in the comment section and don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun French words every week. À bientôt!